Welcome to the Elon Effect, your daily check-in with everything orbiting the worlds of SpaceX, Tesla, X, Neuralink, and the Boring Company. I'm your host, Miles Vega. Let's dive in. Apple and OpenAI just hit a major setback in their battle with Elon Musk's xAI. A federal judge in Texas has ruled that the two companies must face xAI's lawsuit over Siri's ChatGPT integration, denying their attempt to have the case dismissed. The decision keeps alive one of the highest-profile legal clashes in the modern AI arms race, a case that could reshape how generative AI assistants are allowed to integrate into smartphones used by more than 1 billion people worldwide. The lawsuit began in August 2025, after Musk accused Apple and OpenAI of conspiring to dominate the AI market through an exclusive partnership. The core of xAI's complaint is that Apple, blindsided by recent breakthroughs in AI, turned to OpenAI in what the lawsuit calls a desperate bid to protect its iPhone ecosystem. According to Musk's team, Apple's decision to integrate ChatGPT directly into Siri unfairly disadvantages competing chatbots, including xAI's own Grok. The argument is simple. If you want a fully integrated AI assistant on the iPhone, Siri sends you to ChatGPT. Anything else requires a separate app, which cannot match the convenience, voice integration, or system-level access of Apple's default tools. xAI claims this creates a de facto monopoly on AI assistants within the iPhone experience, even though technically, users can download any chatbot they want. Musk argues that those apps are treated as second-class citizens, deprioritized in App Store recommendations, siloed from iOS system features, and locked out of the vast, personal, and contextual data that make generative AI truly useful. The lawsuit goes further, accusing Apple of depriving Grok of access to data from billions of iPhone users, while allegedly rejecting xAI's request to integrate with Apple Intelligence, the company's new on-device AI framework. Apple and OpenAI responded earlier this month, telling the court that the entire case is built on a mistaken premise. They say there is no exclusivity agreement preventing Apple from integrating other chatbots into Siri, and that the current setup is simply the result of technological readiness and strategic product decisions, not a coordinated attempt to suppress competition. Apple has also pointed out that it offers APIs that allow any developer to build voice interaction and system features, provided they meet privacy and security standards. But Judge Mark Pittman wasn't convinced that the issue is clear-cut. His ruling means Apple and OpenAI must continue the case, file detailed arguments, and prepare for discovery. That opens the door to internal documents, emails, and negotiations, a process that often reveals how tech partnerships actually operate behind the scenes. For Musk, this is a significant victory. His lawsuit seeks an injunction to halt what xAI calls an anti-competitive scheme and demands the opportunity to recover billions in damages. The outcome could ripple across the entire AI ecosystem. If courts decide that deep, system-level integrations create unfair advantages, Apple may be forced to expand Siri's roster of supported models or open more of its OS to third-party AI tools. If Apple and OpenAI prevail, it would reaffirm their ability to choose exclusive partners and build vertically integrated AI experiences. Either way, the case underscores a broader truth. AI is no longer just a technological contest. It's a legal, political, and economic battle for ecosystem dominance. That's your tech news for today. If you enjoyed this episode, please consider subscribing and leaving a quick review. The Elon Effect is a Cerebra Media production. I'm Miles Vega, and I'll see you back here Monday morning. Until then, take care.